Good morning. I don't have a phone, so I have no idea what time it is. I'm assuming around 7:30. It's beautiful out. Amazingly, it wasn't as hot as we thought yesterday. I was actually cold. Thank God I got inside my sleeping bag. Tip to campers: when you get a sleeping bag, don't sleep on top of it. Sleep inside of it. Makes a world of difference. So I'm walking to the bathroom to get dressed. That's it. It's Monday. This is the non-equestrian area. This is where we were last time. That's me. Here's my bags. I've been using the older bathrooms, so let me just show them to you really quick. My horse is there sleeping. Well, not really. He's probably eating. The farther away you are from the street, the quieter it is at night. There's no host this weekend. Everybody behave well. There's the other barn. If you can see. By the way, I met some people from Canada yesterday, and she couldn't find, once you register for your permit, there's like 2 pages of rules and what you're supposed to do and the lock and squirrel. Camper. Here's the men's bathroom. Okay, these are the old bathrooms. Oh my God, there's like 25 squirrels. This is the old bathrooms. I like it because, I don't know, it's more open, it's not as hot. The new bathrooms, there's more privacy. It's like a little closet. Oof. Okay. Hot water. So these are the old bathrooms. Mind you, this is after the whole weekend. People are pretty respectful. Here are the showers. It's not bad. A little curtain. Okay. Well, there's a view of the bathrooms. Hopefully you're not dizzy. Okay, till next winter, Dupuis. That's it. Heading home today with the horses, and I think our next trip will be either to a lake or to a beach.
I know, taking forever. In Dupuis, here's our campsite. March 2019. The truck driver. Well, this is how it feels to ride my mare. I'm making a video.
You're making a video?
Yeah. Well, we packed up half the stuff. Okay, guys, I'm here to interview you about your last camping of the season.
What was the last camping? No, never say the last camping. No, no.
Now, we gotta do a great video here of Joanne without makeup in her natural habitat. Here are the lovebirds. And here's my partner in crime, the organizer. Here's Myra, the one that doesn't stop, the Energizer Bunny.
Y después que tú grabas eso, ¿cuándo lo podemos ver?
El año que viene.
No, I can send it. And this is the trailer that we need to win lottery so we can afford. Who's driving it? Chino can drive it. Will you drive that big trailer for us?
I will.
Perfect.
In
Awesome.
the future, I will. Right
You
now,
know,
I will not do
what,
anything.
you know what they say when you have a big trailer. Okay, bye.